Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this segment, we will continue our journey through the motor replacement process for the Dyson SV12. Ensure you have the following tools ready: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. These will be crucial in accessing the motor housing. First, make sure your vacuum is unplugged and that any remaining battery charge is drained. Begin by removing the dust canister. Simply press the release button and detach it from the main body. Next, take your T15 Torx screwdriver and locate the screws securing the motor cover. There are 4 screws in total. Carefully unscrew them and set them aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover off. You might notice some dust accumulation. This is a great time to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any debris. Remember, keeping the internals clean can improve the efficiency of your vacuum. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, with the motor cover removed, you will see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the motor for any visible damage. If everything looks good, proceed by disconnecting the motor wires. There will be 2 connectors, gently pull them apart. If you prefer not to handle wiring, don't forget we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process easier for you. Next, unscrew the motor from its housing. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the motor in place. This step requires a bit of patience, as you want to avoid dropping any screws into the vacuum. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. Now, taking your new motor, align it in the housing. Make sure it fits snugly, and then secure it with the screws you previously removed. It's vital to ensure the motor is seated properly to avoid any issues later. After the motor is secured, reconnect the wires, ensuring they are firmly attached. If you're unsure about the connections, refer to the user manual or consult a professional. Before reassembling everything, double-check that the area is free of any tools or loose screws. This step is crucial to prevent future problems. Now, replace the motor cover by aligning it correctly and securing it with the T15 screws. Tighten them gently, too much force can damage the plastic. Finally, reattach the dust canister. You should hear a click when it is properly secured. If you'd like to ensure everything is in perfect working order, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Now, plug in your vacuum and perform a test run. Listen for any unusual noises and check the suction power. If you encounter any issues or feel the process was too complicated, remember, we offer no calls, no travel service, making it easier for you to get your vacuum working again without the hassle of going out. Thank you for following along. Your Dyson SV12 is now ready for action. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.